I have a Kia Soul here. This one got wiped out down the side. It's getting 2 new doors, a new fender, and then it destroyed this bottom section of the quarter panel here. They call this a dog leg section, this area. So this is gonna get replaced. I'm gonna section just this piece right here. And then I will also repair the wheelhouse, which is just slightly rolled in on the edge right here. You'll be able to see that a little better here in a bit. And then it also has some minor damage up here at the front post. I'm gonna repair this part of the damage. I have my new quarter panel right here. You have to buy it as a full panel. They don't just sell this bottom section, but I'll cut this and just section just this lower piece on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece cut off, repair the wheelhouse, and start fitting my new piece up. Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Panther Pro and their complete fit glass system. Many of you can absolutely lift a windshield out all by yourself. You could even sit one all by yourself. However, this is destroying your shoulders and back. Not to mention the risk of possibly nicking the paint on either side of the windshield or on the hood of the roof. Anything's possible. I've seen it happen before. Whenever you're trying to sit a windshield all by yourself, it's very, very awkward. My friends at Panther Pro made this process very simple. You just drive over the base, set up the arm, and it sets up in less than 2 minutes. Very, very simple. You have a controller to control the speed, up and down speed, and you could easily, slowly lift a windshield out or sit the new one back in all by yourself. Stop distracting your other employees. Stop destroying your shoulders and back. Go to pantherpro.com and get yours ordered today. So I have this dogleg section sitting on here and it's overlapping at each end. I'm gonna scribe this at both of the seams. Then I will lift this back off. I'll trim these back and that'll give me a perfect seam at both of the ends of the dogleg. So I have this rear door fit up, and I was just checking my gap at this new dog leg section. It's looking pretty damn good. I might have to tweak it around just a little bit, but it's very close. I'm gonna go ahead and repair this front post and get my front door fit up as well. Make sure all of that's fitting properly before I go any further with this. Now I have the front door hanging on here as well. I want to make sure that post was sitting exactly where it's supposed to be, make sure the doors line up, which they do. The front door is nice and even and flush with the back door, and the back door is lining up with my quarter panel. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this front door back off and do my filler work right in that area. I will refit this later on in the repair just to double check, but I'll get that finished up, and then I will come back here and get this dog leg section welded on. So I went ahead and I did one final fitment on these doors. I just wanted to double check my gaps, make sure everything was looking good, and it is, as well as the fender.